everybody's safety is paramount here. So I request everybody, yes sir, people at the back, sirs at the back. Yes sir, perfect, perfect, perfect. So, before starting this warm-up session, how excited are you? Are you excited? I'll say 3, 2, 1. Make some noise when I'll say 3, 2, 1. You have to make some noise. You have to tell everybody that you are happy, you are excited, you are a part of this great cause. Alright, so with me in 3, 2, 1. Make some noise. Perfect. This is the way to do it. And now I have a very cute girls on stage with me. I'm privileged to share the stage with these cute girls. So, the physiotherapy team from Nanavati Max Hospital, they are going to perform some warm-up sessions, and they need your support in that. And I have already mentioned number of times that it is for you people, so that while walking, we do not face any kind of trouble, right? So do it properly, do it religiously, right? So let's do it. The stage is yours.
Thank you. So are you all ready? Get up. Can we start with the exercises? Yes. Can we have the music?
Yes, keep on doing it. And the music is on, you can move your feet also, right? You can dance also. Listen to this too. You don't mind. on high knees. Final round of stretches. 30 more seconds, guys.
Rise in the ocean. This is the musical life. Both in sex and passion. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, last few seconds now. Right? Yes. Final 10 seconds, guys. Show the Josh, everybody. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yes. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, guys. Come on. For yourself. For this great cause. World Liver Day. It is so many people are here with us. Some are patrons, some are donors, some are the recipients of some liver organs here. So can I have a huge round of applause for all the saviors here, all the champions here, all the role models here who are present this morning for this great cause, and to motivate you and to flag off this wonderful day. We have a couple of great personalities amongst us. One by one I'll introduce them. They are commonly known as the writer duo in our Bollywood industry. So first up, we have a very special personality who needs no introduction, but it is my honor, my privilege, my duty to introduce that person, that great personality who is a gem of a person himself. So first up, let me welcome. He is one of India's most respected and influential filmmakers, renowned for his ability to blend meaningful messages with humor and entertainment. He is an alumnus of the prestigious Film and Television Institute of India, and initially in advertising with one of the most memorable ads of Dum Laga Ke Haisha of Fevicol. His directorial debut was 2003 hit comedy Munna Bhai MBBS, which was both a critical and commercial success. His films offer a blend of laughter, tears and life lessons. His other notable works include Lage Raho Munna Bhai, 3 Idiots, PK, and all of which he has won numerous awards and have been praised for their original storytelling, profound social messages. I won't take much time. Ladies and gentlemen, with some noise, with some claps, please welcome the legend, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, and along with him, as I mentioned, you must have heard writer duo. So I have another part with him. He is an acclaimed Indian screenwriter known for his collaborations with director Rajkumar Hirani sir on blockbuster films such as Lage Raho Munna Bhai, 3 Idiots, PK and Sanju. He was born on the New Year's Day in 1969 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and he has studied English literature and later taught at Ohio State University. His scripts are celebrated for their humor, emotional depth and engagement with social issues, earning him multiple awards and widespread recognition in the film industry. Beyond screenwriting, he is active in monitoring aspiring writers and speaking on the power of storytelling. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, louder, as can you get? Please welcome Mr. Abhijat Joshi. Welcome, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Thank you for being here. And along with you, we have a very talented voice and one of the really famous RJs of our city from Radio City 91.1, a radio jockey known for his charismatic voice, engaging presence on air. His shows, which mix humor, music and social commentary, have garnered a loyal following among listeners. His ability to connect with the audience through relatable content and lively interactions has made him a standout personality in radio industry. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sudarshan Parikh, better known as RJ Sudarshan.
Thank you so much यार, thank you. पहले एक बार मैं चाहूँगा, एक बार आप लोग अपने लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाइए, क्योंकि संडे की सुबह है सर, सैटरडे जब ऑलमोस्ट पूरी दुनिया अपने लीवर के साथ में कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रही होती है, ये सभी लोग संडे को सुबह सुबह आए, इसका मतलब आप किसी ने लीवर के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया और इतने अच्छे कॉज के लिए आए। तो एक बार जोरदार अपने लिए तालियां। चेतन सर, एक बार मैं आपको इन्वाइट करना चाहूँगा ऊपर, और मैं चाहूँगा कि एक बार जो ये छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट एक बार सब लोगों को समझा दीजिए प्लीज।
गुड मॉर्निंग। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू, जैसे सुदर्शन ने कहा कि आप अपना संडे नाइट, अब सैटरडे नाइट फायर करके संडे मॉर्निंग में आए हो। थैंक यू सो मच। वैसे ये जो मंथ है इसको हम बोलते हैं वर्ल्ड लिवर मंथ, ठीक है, और 19 अप्रैल जो है इसको हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एज अ वर्ल्ड लिवर डे। तो ये इसलिए हमें प्राउड फील होना चाहिए इस डे के ऊपर, बिकॉज दिस वॉज स्टार्टेड बाय इंडिया, ठीक है, इन 2019। ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम समथिंग ऑफ दिस कैलिबर, इतने बड़े स्केल पे हमने ये शुरू किया है, और इसका मेन पर्पस है टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट लिवर डिसऑर्डर्स, ठीक है। तो अभी ये इतना स्केल हो गया, अप स्केल हो गया है कि इवन द अदर स्पेशलिटीज, अदर बॉडीज of different parts of world, they are also joined their hands together and this is a now global movement. तो thank you so much कि आप लोग यहाँ पे आए, और इस डे का पर्पस है और कि आपको अपने लीवर के बारे में सतर्क रहना चाहिए, उसकी केयर करनी चाहिए, बस इतना ही है। और इस साल का जो थीम है वो है कि कीप योर लिवर हेल्दी एंड डिसीज फ्री। तो मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग सब वही करेंगे, आपके लीवर का आप केयर करेंगे। और इतने बड़े डिग्नेटरीज यहाँ पे, मैं आपका समय वेस्ट नहीं करूँगा, एंड विल स्टार्ट ऑफ द टुडेज प्रोसीडिंग। थैंक यू
so much, sir. Thank you so much. And before we move forward, let's hear from the legends themselves, right? First of all, Raju sir से पहले बात करते हैं sir. So once again, very good morning, and sir, thank you so much for being here. And sir, you are here. You are a part of this great cause. सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको? एंड क्या सर देखिए कितने सारे यहाँ पर फेसेस हैं, so many old days है, जिनका बोलते ना कि दिल जवान होना चाहिए, उम्र से कुछ नहीं रखा हुआ, राइट? एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर, सो दे आर है। तो सर अ मैसेज फॉर एवरीबडी बिफोर ही स्पीक्स। थोड़ा सा शोर बचाओ, थोड़ी सी तालियां बजाओ गाइस। शोनी जोशी।
No, all I can say is it's a huge salute to everybody here. I didn't believe when Dr. Chetan told me कि आपको सुबह 5:45 बजे पहुंचना है। मैंने कहा 5:45 बजे क्या होता है, कौन आएगा? So hats off, actually seriously hats off to all of you to be here to promote this idea of how important liver is for all of us. I have actually spent a lot of time with him to understand how important this organ is for us. वो हार्ट को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस मिल जाता है, आपको हार्ट भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, पर when you hear how important liver is for a body, you really feel that you have to protect it. So please go out and promote it. Your enthusiasm is here to show it, and I'll also go out and say, please look after your liver. Thank you so much for being here.
All right, now Abhijat sir, so welcome. Very good morning to you, sir. Yes, sir. Your message to whosoever is there, सर के लिए भी थोड़ी सी शोर, थोड़ी सी थाली. Guys, जोश कम नहीं चाहिए आज के दिन में, right?
Well, it's an absolute privilege to be here because I'm not here to give any message. I'm here to receive messages of this commitment, this vision. It's remarkable that I see doctors who don't want people to go to doctors, and just improve their health, keep them fit. Today is 21st of April. Yesterday was 20th of April, and about 8 years ago, suddenly I discovered on that day that I had macroadenoma. Another thing that creeps in silently, that the way it talks about the liver disease. Luckily, within 5 days, it was detected in my surgery, brain surgery happened, and I became okay. But I know a thing or two about things which creep in silently, without our knowledge. So, the thing that they're doing, that spreading this awareness, spreading this vision, that let's be fit, let's be aware, and what are our priorities in life? What matters the most to us? And that is so important that I cannot tell you. My life was saved in the nick of time because I was lucky. They are trying to take the element of luck out of it, and they are trying to make it, turn it into a system, which is a great thought. Hats off, bravo.
Wonderful. So sir, आपने यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी बात की, that you survived it, और मैं यहाँ पर आपको बताना चाहूँगा, but there are so many people present here this morning जिन्होंने उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स की अनफॉर्चुनेट डेथ के बाद ऑर्गन्स जो लिवर है वो यहाँ पर डोनेट किया. देयर आर सम मेंबर्स हियर जिन्होंने लिवर के कुछ पार्ट्स डोनेट किए हैं. देयर आर सम सर्वाइवर्स हियर एज वेल. सो ऑल द वॉरियर्स आर हियर, ऑल द चैंपियंस आर हियर. सो गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच, हैट्स ऑफ टू योर डेडिकेशन. एंड दे आर हियर. बहुत सारे सर्वाइवर्स आज हमारे बीच में हैं जो वॉक करने वाले हैं. इट्स अराउंड 4 किलोमीटर्स वॉक एंड दे आर गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ग्रेट कॉज. सो गाइस, वंस अगेन पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर योरसेल्फ गाइस. The real heroes, the champions, right? Champions, come on. Yes. Okay.
अच्छा, वॉक करते हुए ध्यान रखना है, 4 किलोमीटर की वॉक है. जिसको भी थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल फील हो पहले रुक सकता है. अपने आप को थोड़ा सा हाइड्रेट रखिएगा, आराम से वॉक कीजिएगा, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है. ओके, वी आर रेडी फॉर द वॉक. यस,
थैंक यू.
So with this, we'll move on towards the flag off area. एक बार फिर से अगर आप लेट ज्वाइन किया है, अगर आपने रजिस्टर नहीं करा है, प्लीज रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ. गेट योर दिस ब्लू कलर टी शर्ट फ्रॉम एवरीबडी फ्रॉम द काउंटर देयर, राइट? दे आर नॉट गिविंग. ओके, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता. दे विल गिव यू, डोंट वरी. आई विल मेक श्योर यू गेट द टी शर्ट्स. ऑलराइट.
एक चीज और, जब वॉक खत्म हो जाएगी उसके बाद फेलिसिटेशन होगा डोनर्स का. सो हम सभी लोग वापस यहाँ पर आएंगे और ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे और फेलिसिटेशन में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. ठीक है? यू गाइस आर रेडी?
एब्सोल्युटली रेडी है. पेट पूजा भी बनता है, as Sudarshan has already mentioned, right?
First of all, before we start, thank you Dr. Raju sir and Abhijit Joshi. They came all the way from Goa. They had their very busy schedule, but they took time and they were so gracious to come. So thank you from bottom of our heart. Thank you so much, है ना? और जैसे ये बोलते हैं कि जिगर में बड़ी आग है, तो keep that flame burning and keep it safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Chetan. That's why sir was mentioning कि 5:45 बजे पहुंचना है, गोवा से आना था. So yes, party was on. But yes, sir, thank you so much once again for being here. And meanwhile, फटाफट से आप लोग gear up for this wonderful day. And once again, with loudest of the cheers and usual applause for our special guests this morning. अरे थोड़ा जोर से, guys, they are here for you. Come on. Alright, and yes, pictures तो बहुत जरूरी है, right? वो भी लेंगे हम, but पहले हम वॉक करेंगे, right? Walkathon में हम चलेंगे, and then the felicitation ceremony, right?
Loose.
So guys, बस थोड़ी देर में we'll flag off this great cause, walkathon for the awareness of Yes, sir, please sir, आप आ जाइए सर, भी आ जाएंगे सर आपके साथ साथ. So we'll play. Okay. Now it's the flag off ceremony.
हाँ अपने पाड़ी ले ला
Okay. The flag of time it is.
मोदी साहब
Sir, please.
ऊपर ही जाओ
Abhijat sir, please step up. Chetan sir, please step up.
ले लो
ओके लोग सारे लोग जो उधर हैं प्लीज इधर आ जाइए, हम लोग वॉक शुरू करने वाले.
Congratulations, all the very, very best. So it's a walk it on, guys. Please walk. There is no competition. There are no winners. So don't worry. आराम से चाहिए. I will find you here. Only right for the felicitation ceremony, as Arjun Sudarshan has already mentioned. Then we have the breakfast also for you, which is already ready. Join us, everyone. All the very, very best, guys. All the very, very best.
सेल्फी लो जो अरे माइट ये तो देखा है अंदर ऊपर આવી જાઓ अरे ऊपर એરે ભલે ને રહેશે હા सर आपके साथ एक सेल्फी थैंक यू उबारो
All right, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for this great gesture. You're not walking, guys.
दिल हूँ करे घबराए घन धम धम करे गर जाए एक बूंद कभी पानी की मोरी अखियों से बरसाए दिल हूँ करे घबराए जिस तन को छुआ तूने उस तन को छुपाऊं, जिस मन को लागे नैना वो
किसको दिखाऊं ओ मोरे चंद्रमा तेरी चांदनी अंग जलाए तेरी ऊंची अटारी मैंने पंख लिए कटवाए दिल हुम हुम करे घबराए घन धम धम करे गर जाए एक बूंद कभी पानी की मोरी अखियों से बरसाए दिल हुम हुम करे घबराए